On today's episode, we're going to be talking about Benjamin Franklin's 13 virtues and expanding upon them. I'm Christian Murray, and this is the Founders Club. If you haven't seen our Benjamin Franklin Daily Planner video, you can click right there. It's a great video, I highly recommend it, and it goes right along with this one. But on this one, we're just going to be focusing on his 13 virtues. So let's get started. At the age of 20, in 1726, he came up with this whole system for moral perfection. He writes, "I conceived the bold and arduous project of arriving at moral perfection. I wish to live without committing any fault at any time. I would conquer all that either natural inclination, custom, or company might lead me into." And he did it with his 13 virtues. In his autobiography, Franklin mentions a small book that he carried around with him all of the time. In it was a list of 13 virtues that he had chosen as his lifetime goals. These 13 virtues are temperance, silence, order, resolution, frugality, industry, sincerity, justice, moderation, cleanliness, tranquility, chastity, and humility. So let's break down these 13 virtues. Temperance: eat not to dullness, drink not to elevation. Silence: speak not but what may benefit others or yourself. Avoid trifling conversation. Order: let all your things have their places. Let each part of your business have its time. Resolution: resolve to perform what you ought, perform without fail what you resolve. Frugality: make no expense but to do good to others or yourself. Waste nothing. Industry: lose no time, be always employed in something useful. Cut off all unnecessary actions. Sincerity: use no hurtful deceit, think innocently and justly, and if you speak, speak accordingly. Justice: wrong none by doing injuries or omitting the benefits that are your duty. Moderation: avoid extremes. Forbear resenting injuries so much as you think they deserve. Cleanliness: tolerate no uncleanliness in body, clothes, or habitation. Tranquility: be not disturbed at trifles or at accidents common or unavoidable. Chastity: rarely use venery but for health or offspring, never to dullness, weakness, or the injury of your own or another's peace or reputation. Humility: imitate Jesus or Socrates. Benjamin Franklin wanted to master all of these 13 virtues, and he did it week by week. And well, since there are 13 virtues and each week was dedicated to one virtue, and there are 52 weeks in a year, well, it makes it perfect because that means you do 4 cycles of this within a year. While he was focused on this every single day, he would pray, "O powerful goodness, bountiful Father, merciful guide, increase in me that wisdom which discovers my truest interest. Strengthen my resolution to perform what that wisdom dictates. Accept my kind offices to thy other children as the only return in my power for thy continual favors to me." Benjamin Franklin, even though he never mastered it, he improved. He said, "Though I never arrived at the perfection I had been so ambitious of obtaining, but fell far short of it, yet I was, by the endeavor, a better and happier man than I otherwise should have been if I had not attempted it." Now, Benjamin Franklin could never achieve this, and he knew that, and I think he was okay with that. And I think there's a lesson to be learned here. Though we may fail, falter, and fall, we can always pick ourselves up, try again, and keep on going. And I kind of think that's the story of humanity and the human race right there. Even though we fail, we try again, and we strive to be better than what we are. Though I think Benjamin Franklin did it to the extreme, I think we do it all of the time. If a son of a poor candle maker could do that, imagine what we could do. Well, I'll see you guys next time. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to become a Founders Club member, hit that subscribe button. Also, we're going to have more videos pop up over on the side, so check out those. And remember, once we hit 100 subscribers, we will be doing our first war series, and I'm so excited. And remember, history is a great story that needs to be told, so tell it.